Welcome to Computer Science Principles. In this tutorial video, we're just going to show you some of the resources that you have available in this class. We are going to show you where the software is located. We're going to show you where the textbook is located and some additional resources. And while we're doing that, we're going to talk about organizing your files and creating a folder on your school account or on a flash drive to store all pertinent information. If we take a look and go to a web page, I googled greenfoot.org a little bit earlier, and this is the web page that we come to. Actually, it's not the home page, so let me refresh and see if I can get to the home page. If you just greenfoot.org, on this particular page, in the bottom left-hand corner, is the software link. If I click on that, it shows you the different operating systems that the software is available in: Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, standalone. And it also has the Java that you can download. You do need to have a Java JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. And you can click here to download it, or you can download it directly from Oracle, which I'll show you in a minute. On this particular page, though, I do want to show you that Installation Instructions has a link here that you can use, and Frequently Asked Questions. So if you do have problems installing, you want to come to those two links and read through the information to get your software installed. If I'm working on a Windows machine, so I'm going to click this to show how to download. It's going to download as an MSI file, which will be a file that will extract when you're done. And this is the point where I'm going to recommend that you go to whatever folder you're going to use for this class, or whatever flash drive. For example, if I was using my school folder, I would use what's called my Z drive folder. You have something different, or you might want to save it to a flash drive. I happen to have created a folder on my desktop. I don't recommend that you do that because the school computers will wipe out the files occasionally. I did it just for demonstration purposes, but I named mine CSP for Computer Science Principles Spring 2017, and that's where I downloaded this MSI file originally. I'm going to click cancel on that, but anything that you download for this class, then all of your projects, all of your files, you're going to keep in this folder. If you do need the Java, you could click on this link and it will download a jar file, which is basically a file that you then, it's executable and it will extract the Java. But oftentimes it will take you to the Java JDK website. And let me just show this to you kind of from scratch. If I type in Java JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit, it brings me to the Oracle website, which is where you want to be. And on the Oracle website, that particular link brought me right to the Java SE Development Kit. That's what I want. You will need to accept the license and then click on whatever version of operating system that you have. There's also some demos and some examples. These we will not use in our class, but they are a good resource if you are interested. So for the software, you're going to need to download whatever operating system you use, or if you want a standalone version for a flash drive, and you're going to need to make sure that the Java JDK is installed. Most of the installs will automatically prompt you for the Java JDK. So follow the instructions and you shouldn't have too many problems, but if you do, just let us